Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off your ACER Chromebook 315 laptop. To turn off your laptop, you have to open the control center right here, select power options and select shutdown. But if your computer is frozen and you cannot access this menu, you can force shut down your PC by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds. And once your screen goes dark, you can remove the finger from the power button. And at this point, your device is switched off. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.